Male condom is an effective, reversible barrier contraceptive method that is commonly used worldwide. It also prevents the transmission of sexually transmitted infections. It is reliable, cheap, and convenient for both the male and female partners. So, in this video I will walk you through the steps in putting a male condom properly. First, you should choose the correct size of the condom. Make sure it is not expired, and the package is not damaged. Then, tear the package using your fingers. Do not use scissors or your teeth to cut the package, as it can damage the condom. Next, check the tip of the condom for damages and holes. Place the condom on the tip of the penis. The tip of the condom is where the ejaculated semen collects. So, it should be pinched while the condom is applied to maintain the space to collect semen. As the final step, unfold the condom gently as demonstrated in this video. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.